A pivotal moment in the murder case against singer David. It is the first day of his preliminary hearing, and we're expecting to learn more about the death of 14-year-old Celeste Rivas Hernandez.
CBS LA's Rick Montanez joining us live now in downtown LA, where a judge will decide if there's enough evidence to go to trial. Rick?
Yeah, Kalina, Chris, this step does not involve a jury just yet. This is expected to be the start of, as you mentioned, the preliminary hearing where prosecutors lay out their evidence before a judge, and then there's a decision on whether there is enough evidence for them to move toward that jury trial. Check it out here. We'll show you the defendant, the singer known as David, legal name David Burke. He's facing a capital murder charge, as well as charges for sexual abuse of a child and unlawful mutilation of human remains. He previously pled not guilty. Prosecutors say they'll present text messages, cell records, surveillance video, and DNA. They allege Burke and the victim, Celeste Rivas Hernandez, had a sexual relationship for a while before she threatened to expose this and derail his music career. According to court documents, Burke arranged a ride share to bring the 14-year-old victim to his Hollywood Hills home in April last year, then fatally stabbed her. The allegations continue that he tried to cover his tracks, buying items under a fake name to dispose of her body, and even texting and calling her as if she were still alive. We spoke with criminal defense expert Lou Shapiro and former federal prosecutor Nima Rahmani to understand the expectations of this preliminary hearing.
There's overwhelming evidence in this case. I can't see any world where the judge finds no probable cause.
There is a lot of dots that one could connect. The preliminary hearing will serve to really connect them.
So there are several possible outcomes if there is a conviction. That includes life without the possibility of parole, as well as the death penalty. But at this point, District Attorney Nathan Hochman has not announced whether his prosecutors will seek the death penalty in this specific case. So a lot of people still waiting to see about that. The preliminary hearing is expected to take several days. Reporting live in downtown Los Angeles, Rick Montanez, CBS LA.
All right, Rick, thank you. And be sure to stick with CBS LA and CBSLA.com for all the details coming out of that preliminary hearing. We're also streaming 24/7 on CBS News Los Angeles.